Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Canon PIXMA TS7450a. This printer is wireless printer. You can copy, scan, print with this printer. This printer is also with ADF, automatic document feeder. This printer uses ink cartridges 560 and 561. This printer is nice for office work, and you need to connect this printer using Canon Inkjet Selfie app. This printer, in terms of the printing speed, 13 print per minute for black and white color, black and white document if you want to print out black and white, and 6.8 print per minute for color. This printer got automatic power off and on, auto two-sided print. You can connect this printer using your mobile device. You can also print borderless photo with this printer. This printer got front and rear paper feed, okay, with also LCD screen, 3.7 LCD screen. What we want to do is unbox this printer, check it out, see what is inside. I hope this will help you to make a informed choice about this printer. Now, this is the information pack. Getting started. So this information pack in various languages, and this is a setup disk that contains the software. You stick this to your laptop and download the software. But if you connect this printer using your mobile device by downloading the app, then you don't need this disk. Okay? And what is in here is the power cable. This one is 2-pin power cable, and with the ink cartridges 560 black and 561 color. We also got power cable. This one is 3-pin. Okay, so this 3-pin is pretty much for UK use. This one is for US or European use. Okay, so depend on your country, you know. So just the difference is just the pin here. This one is 2 and this one is 3. So depend on your power plug in your country. Okay. First impression, nice packaging. What it looks like. Now I'm going to use 3-pin power cable for this. See what this beautiful. See what it looks like. I like the color. This is black, bit of black and the gray color. Okay, see what it looks like. Then from the back, so the power cable goes in here. Okay, and this port here is for USB cable. USB cable is not included in the packaging, I'm afraid, but we have the cable at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK. So this is the rear paper tray. So you load various sizes of paper using the rear paper tray. So you can use the rear paper tray or front casket. And this is the ADF, automatic document feeder. You use ADF to scan multiple pages of documents. So this is the ADF. And this is the scanner for this printer, flat bell scanner. Flat bell scanner. If you open up this printer, then the ink cartridges holder will come from the corner here to the center for you to change it. Okay. This printer, if you want to close it, if you open it up, you need to find the pattern to go back. Okay, see, find the pattern for you to close it. And this is the front panel. Okay, now open up this section. Then the paper tray. This is the front gasket for the paper tray, so you can load various sizes of paper. You just need to adjust it. So you can load A5, B5, liter, and A4 paper. Just need to adjust particular paper you are using. So you can also use 4x6 photo paper. Okay. Now this printer, you switch this printer on and off from here. This is the on and off button. Okay, so this is the on and off button for this printer. This is for you to copy, and this button here is for you to cancel. You can see, okay. Likewise, for this one, you will ask you to press this to identify your proximity for this printer. Okay, so we're just gonna plug this printer on. So basically, this is the unboxing and overview. This printer is nice, economical, and affordable. It's 99 quid here, 99 pound printer, and you can print a nice photo here. Experience with nice picture. You print at a resolution of 4800 dpi and enjoy detailed color photo and image, as well as a clear and well-defined text. Okay, so Canon PIXMA TS7450a is a high quality all-in-one inkjet color printer, perfect for home office, document, photo, print, scan, and copy. It has built-in Wi-Fi and support multiple wireless printing options, so it is simple to print from your smart device with easy to use control. Okay, so now, so just plug this printer on. Okay, so the power cable goes in here, push it inside. Okay, and this is the on and off button. So okay, so this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.